I remember we were at Auntie Irene's one time and it was insane.
The
Out in
biggest
Lorette.
storm I've ever been in was Rock Lake Camp. One year, like Rock Lake Camp, they had roofs and like there were hailstones coming through the roofs. They were like that.
Crazy.
They were hitting and you could, boom. Everybody was hiding under their bunks. And by the end, we spent
The
our
edge of the
arts and crafts
shelf.
repairing dents in the roofs.
Edge of the shelf. And then there's
One
the
of
rain cord just off
just
the
about
front.
got killed. He went outside. He had a mattress over his head, and he was running through the playground.
Yeah.
And he must have been 10 feet in front of it, running towards one of the cabins. And a lightning strike came down and struck the metal play structure.
Oh my goodness.
And it just warped it. And you could see where it hit, and it just like bent way out of proportion and snapped.
Wow.
The guy just standing there like frozen. We're all standing in the doorway, just, eyes all huge.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt if the storm was near severe, but I don't know, because you got the intense lightning, you got everything like that. It's got to be very heavy rain under that cell, right in the rain core there. And by the fact that we have the shelf cloud, and when the shelf cloud went by, the winds were really, really strong. Yeah.
Way over there now.
The shelf cloud is like the leading line of the strong winds. It's usually just before or just at when the shelf goes by that you have the strongest winds. Is that our bus?
I don't know. Whoa.
That was cool.
So hard to spot the bus here.
Oh well.
So many lights.
Plus the lightning.
Yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning. There's the Samsung presentation for the year. No, it's actually down here. It's in Canada, it's by the stadium.
Okay. Are you the only one going again?
No, me, Kevin, Mario, and Eugene.
Are you sure they're going to be there?
Kevin's picking us up.
Oh, he's picking you up. Oh, okay.
Picking me up at 7. Probably not as much as I got from Panasonic. Panasonic's really trying to bring back their image, and Samsung's like, yeah, we're leaders, whatever.
Yeah. Should be here soon.
Samsung's going to talk a lot more about their cameras and camcorders and all that stuff.
Feel the wind again, picking up. Cooler wind. There's a second rain cord just off to our, just behind the building there. But again, I don't expect it to hit our area.
It's actually pretty decent weather all day.
Mm-hmm.
Humid, not really bad.